Exciting day, guys. Today we are lifting the Jeep Comanche. We got our 4.5-inch coils for the front, adjustable track bar, transfer case. We'll see what we do with that. More importantly, adjustable lower control arms. So I am staying short arm for now, at least, for quite a while. So even if I do add pucks or, anything, I will be able to adjust for caster a bit. So, exciting, very exciting. I got so many stickers. I'm like overwhelmed. My little senses, my tiny brain, it's a lot. So let's do it. Start now. Alright, so here we are working on the Titanic. Clearly, it's spent more time under the fucking ocean than most other materials. So up here in Canada, that's what the bottom of every car looks like. Very shocked that bolt came off. I'm very not shocked this one is totally seized in there. So, guess I gotta go cut the bolt, get a new bolt. That's the word I'm looking for. Well, we almost have the front end torn apart. That looks half the size of the new one, so slightly concerned about how this is gonna work. Alright, so just busted open the box. Finally looking at my new parts. Gotta say, this thing's beefy as hell. It's enormous. I'm very impressed. Curious how it'll do. I got the adjustment one. Preload is adjustable on the joint as well. And the new spring looks pretty mean. I'm pretty happy. That's not bad. Got it totally ripped apart, so start throwing some parts in. So one quick thing I just realized about the Rusty's track bar. My old Jeep, I ran an Iron Rock off-road setup, and they gave you rough measurements depending on how much lift you're at. These do not have that. Also, didn't realize it was a ball joint style. Again, Iron Rock off-road is a real nice double shear track bar, and I'll probably upgrade to that in the future. I mean, I guess it's part of the kit, so I gotta use it, but it's two things that are kind of disappointing. Most other companies kind of give you a bit of information to help you out, but no, not this one. Other than that, beefy as hell again, so that's a plus. And that's why they shouldn't make shocks white. The Bilsteins, those are like an aluminum, same thing. They look like shit after like a month, and here we are. So, quick tip for bar pins, I believe. To get them in, I just throw some penetrating oil on the actual bushing. You can push those in by hand, and then for the actual bar pin, if you are not doing the sleeve, you stick the socket on here, put in a press, and push the bar pin through. If you don't have a press, I have seen people use hammers, and they just kind of angle it like this, or same thing, socket, so just be careful. You don't want to snap this little weld here, because then you're really shit out of luck. But shocks gone together, ready to go in. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna clean it up a bit and then paint it. Track bar is half in. Thought I'd throw the shocks on before I drop it down, and then it's the front half. There's a lot still. A lot going on still. Well, whenever something exciting happens, I'll bring you guys out again. Oh, that alright went wrong. Yeah. Oh. Movie magic, one sec. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Why are you so difficult? And wait, nope. It's good enough. Good enough. Oh, she's getting there. She is getting there. Ooh, she's getting there. Boy, I hope these aren't shit. Yeah? 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 Come on, come on. And done. Just got a bit of a Cali lean, running the pre-runner style. Fuck, is she tall now? 4.5 inch lift on 35s. Whew. Front's almost done. Just gotta do the track bar, which is gonna be fun. It's a 2-person job, so just going along though. Oh man, looks cool now. Now that it's not slammed. Almost there, boys. So, exciting day, very busy, super windy. We got the front lift in. So everything's rusties. We got the 4.5 inch lift coils, rusty shocks, track bar, adjustable, all those goodies. Steering stock for now. We're gonna go over the knuckle. The front is complete. Threw some paint on it. The rear is what we got going on next. I don't know when this video will come out, but for the rear, we did the flip kit already. So now we're spring over. I have to weld on the new shock mounts on either side, and every brake line exploded, so I have to replumb the brakes. So we're gonna do a booster at the same time. So this video might be in a little bit. We did get some paint work done, so keep an eye. That one will be out pretty soon, I think. And then I will be able to drive this. I bought this car a little while ago and I drove it for 20 minutes in total, so don't even know if I like it. And we got the tailgate done, but lift first, then looks. Lift and looks.